YouTube, we are back with another video. It's your boy Young Batman. From the title, you already know what this video is about. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. And let's just, without further ado, let's just get into it. You know what this is. By now, y'all know what this is. Here we go. Y'all know what this is. 360 Jeezy brush. I'm gonna give y'all my feedback on it. But guess what? I still don't have waves. But that don't matter. I will be returning soon. But just want y'all to see this. For those who've been asking me questions about it, whether you should get it or not, and so on. And what's it all about? My opinion, it's dope. So we're gonna look at it, what you guys have seen by now, but you guys can see it through my camera. You feel me? Full detail, presentation, 100% presentation right here. You know what I mean? And of course, it's got the authenticity.
What?
I'm sorry, I can't even, like, you know what I mean? Authentic. 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 Got the certificate in there. You feel me? Outstanding presentation. I mean, I took the paper off, checked it out. Can't wait to start brushing. But come on now. It's fire. Oh, is it even upside down? My bad.
Boy, if you don't...
My bad. Here we go. Very fire. It's a curve. It's got the grips on the side. Dope bristles. Super long bristles. Pointed tips for the crowns. Like a S. And so on. It's a fire brush. I gotta say, you get a chance to get it. It's pretty dope. When I get waves, I'll be brushing with it. And you know what I'm saying, I'll show you guys what to do. Only ideas about it is knowing that it's an S, and when you hitting your, you know what I mean, hitting your crown clockwise with it. I was thinking, what if he did an inverted version of it? Wait, hold on, see, yeah, same way. I was wondering, what if he did an inverted as a backwards S? It's for those that go counterclockwise. It's just an idea, but it don't matter. It don't matter. It is pretty fire. Salute to 360 Jeezy. It's a real dope brush, guys. It's I gotta say, it's pretty dope. It's original. You'll never see anything like this. He took his time to craft the idea, and yo, it's a dope brush. Again, I'll put the link down below. He'll be restocking. This isn't a promo. This isn't a, you know what I mean? This isn't a promo video. This isn't a paid video. I'm just doing a video about it because, you know, a lot of you guys been asking me my opinion. I say go get it. It's dope. You know what I mean? Other than that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep doing your thing. Keep them comments coming. I'll be responding to all y'all's comments.